What's going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chunky! I didn't say.
Get your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great day so far. Got a good one. This is from last weekend. This was a weekend arraignment in Oakley, Michigan. Oakland, Michigan. It's Oakland, right? Yeah. Anyway, it's in Michigan. Weekend arraignment. This defendant doesn't want an attorney. Pro se defendant, not a sovereign citizen. I feel like I have to say that every time I say pro se. Not a soft sit, but doesn't stop talking. It gets interesting. All right, before I play that, hit that play button. You know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jumping pad flips. Let's go.
I will get Ms. Kruger.
Sounds great. Thanks, sir.
Judge, I wanted to tell you that Ms. Kruger did not want a lawyer. So I spoke to her for about 30 seconds, and she does not want a lawyer.
Okay.
Here, speak right to the judges. See the judges.
Hello. Hello.
Good morning, Ms. Kruger.
You're the first one who has actually heard my story.
All right. Before
can't-
we proceed, Ms. Kruger,
I'm sorry, I
everything that
can't
we
see your
say.
name.
My name?
Okay. Yes, but I see it now. Okay.
Ms. Kruger, before we get started, everything that we say right now is being recorded. Okay?
Yes.
It's my understanding that you do not wish to speak with an attorney. Is that correct?
That's very correct. I've spoken with plenty of attorneys.
All right. Now calling case number 23-523256 PP, the people versus Riga Weinhanen Kruger. This is the date and time set for an arraignment on an alleged PPO violation. Ma'am, you are Riga Kruger, is that correct?
Yes, I am.
All right. Prior to me calling the case, I asked if you wish to speak to an attorney today, and you said that you do not wish to speak with an attorney. Is that correct?
That's correct.
All right. You understand that you have the right to speak to an attorney, but you are respectfully declining that. Is that correct?
I'm declining that.
Okay. And you understand that I cannot answer any legal questions that you may have regarding your arraignment or anything that we discussed today. So any legal questions that you have would need to be addressed with the attorney. You understand that?
Yes, I do. And I will have an attorney if I need one, but I do not need one today.
Okay. Well, obviously, this is an arraignment on an alleged PPO violation. I'm not the trier of fact regarding the violation itself. I'm just conducting the arraignment on the alleged violation.
Okay. The alleged violation is of an ex parte PPO. Do you have the ex parte in front of you? The original one?
Yeah, hold on. Ms. Kruger, this isn't.
Already off to a great start. An ex parte PPO. I don't even really know what that means. An ex parte PPO. It means, I think she's trying to say there was a PPO filed against her and she didn't have a say in it. So it was just one side going to the judge, giving their side, and she didn't get a chance to respond. I don't know. That's someone please explain to me what ex parte PPO means. Now she has a violation on ex parte. Yeah. Anyways, she needs an attorney.
This isn't really a question answer.
All right, well,
Conversation.
everybody is forgetting that he is losing it. All of his old friends know it, and even his lawyer knows it. And that's the biggest problem here, is that he is not all what he was just even 4 or 5 years ago. And the people who stood up for us in our marriage are old friends. I've known Tim Gilbert for at least 35 years. I've been married to him for 15. Now, that's point one I want to make, is that he knows, every one of his old friends knows that he is losing his facilities. He has eruptions. It's not just with me. He erupted with the globals over cryptocurrency. That's number one. Number two is that I checked and he's checked with the clerk of the PPO and for Judge Gant. His first name is Jeff, I forget. And that acceptable ways of communication. In fact, after I was served this ex parte PPO,
Right.
it's like, whoa, what's going on and what kind of things? Because she added restrictions. His lawyer only had certain restrictions and she added a whole bunch more. Is what is going on. And I'm almost glad God's got this, because I wouldn't have known how bad he was getting if I hadn't been without him for 7 weeks. Well, anyway,
All right.
so it's acceptable for him to talk
All
to
right.
me, right?
Okay.
Well,
That-
his lawyer
so, Ms.
shushed him twice.
Ms. Kruger, hold on.
And it's so hard to find a place to pause so I can put in my 2 cents. The judge can't even do it. Anyone else want to be on a fly? Anyone else want to be a fly on the wall listening to her friends talk about cryptocurrency? I absolutely would. I would love to hear their definition, what they think about cryptocurrency. That's a conversation for another day. Anyways, yeah, his attorney asked for certain things, and then the judge probably gave the standard, rules for a PPO. Like, you can't do this, you can't do this, you can't do this. Yeah, those are standard. The attorney may not have asked for them, but the attorney just asked, and the judge grants them. This is why you need an attorney.
So I
Okay,
can
I'm almost to the
appreciate.
point.
Okay, this is not just a typical conversation. This is a court hearing. I'm looking at,
Okay,
and again, I am not the one that's going to decide whether or not you violated the PPO.
oh, okay, well, I'm
that's
just
not
giving
the
you a
purpose
little
of
bit of
today.
background. I'm almost to the point, because I don't think I violated it
Okay,
because I wasn't on the property.
Ms. Kruger, please stop talking. That's not,
Okay.
none of this is properly before me. I am literally just conducting your arraignment, okay?
Oh, okay,
Where do you
all right.
currently reside?
I've never been arraigned before.
Okay,
Where do I
where do you currently
reside?
reside?
40525, you could say it, right closer to Aberdeen, which is 046 Helfer Boulevard. Is much more like what I've really previously had at 939 Cold Spring, behind Brightmoor Church. Going in a few minutes, or when you release.
Why did she just rattled off like 3 different addresses? I was muting partial. So yeah, for all those people out there that said I don't mute the addresses, she just kept rattling out different addresses. I did. You got bits and pieces of like 16 different addresses. Yeah, good luck.
Sergeant, is there anything that you would like to state regarding the bond that I'm going to set here in just a minute?
No, Your Honor. I do not have any recommendations for bond. Whatever is appropriate to you.
I'm asking that I will be anywhere. I don't really need a bond. I'll be wherever you want.
Again, she doesn't understand what that means. Use the attorney. Just use the attorney. You don't need a bond. Okay. You know what it means when you don't have a bond? That means you're not getting out of jail. That's what that means. So she doesn't need a bond, Judge. Leave her in jail. That's what she asked for. She said no to an attorney. She's thinking of bond terms, right? I don't need any terms. I'll do whatever you say you want. I'll comply. That's what she thinks she's saying. But yeah, that is not what she just said.
Oh, there's the camera.
All right. Well, I have reviewed the, obviously the PPO and the police report relating to this matter. Based on your presence at the alleged victim's residence, I do feel that certain conditions are appropriate.
It's my house too. I'm entitled.
Ma'am, just-
Okay, Ms. Kruger,
Okay.
this is
I'm
not,
sorry.
You're entitled to what? Your house? No one's taking your house away from you. You just can't go back during this case. Once you see a different judge, you can talk to the judge. This is a magistrate that's just arraigning you. She doesn't understand what an arraignment means. I know. Now I'm talking in circles. All right, let's finish this hearing. Let's see. We have 3 minutes left. I'm gonna peace out. You guys can have have fun with this one. Hope you guys have a great day. Big announcement. Heather will be joining me on stream tonight. So hope to see you guys there. Until next time. Bye.
I have friends in that neighborhood. That's been my neighborhood for 15 years.
and,
Okay, I'm
and
sorry.
Ms. Kruger, that may all be true, but if there's a condition in a PPO saying that you're not to be at that residence, then you're not supposed to be at that residence.
I wasn't. I was out in the street.
Okay, well, we can
I
split
wasn't
hairs.
in front of
In any
Winlow.
event, I do believe that there are certain conditions that must be ordered as part of your bond. And those conditions are going to include the following. You're to have no contact directly or indirectly with Timothy Gilbert. You're not to return to 4759 Aberdeen Drive in Novi, Michigan. I'm ordering that you must obtain a GPS tether prior to your release today. You will personally appear for any and all future court proceedings. You will not leave the state of Michigan without permission of the court, and you will immediately notify the court in writing of any change to your address or telephone number. I'm also ordering that you must post $500 cash in order to be released. And again, this matter will be reset for an actual violation hearing in front of Judge Gant. I do not know when that will be. If you are able to post bond and you obtain the GPS tether, make sure you call the court and find out when your violation hearing is going to be.
Good. I love that.
All right. So then, Ms. Kruger, do you have any questions?
No, I'm very pleased.
Okay. Then that is all for today, Ms. Kruger. I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. I'll see her Thursday.
All right, right through here.
Okay. Good.
Well, right back in. Yeah, it'll be,
No, you want $500 cash, right?
yeah, it'll be $500 cash.
Or-
Let us get the paperwork going, then we'll get back to you, okay? You know, one minute.
No, it's Sunday. It has
Yep.
some cash.
It does.
Judge, I have these other two cases.